Audio Jungle. This is High Tech News TV News. Chennai Apollo Specialty Hospital's Thenamate has launched its most advanced cath lab, a transformative addition to Chennai's healthcare infrastructure. This system is a specialized treatment room where doctors perform highly complex life-saving procedures without the need for open surgery, empowering clinicals to the work with greater speed, precision, and patient safety across cardiology, neurology, and interventional oncology. The new facility was inaugurated by Honorable Minister of Tamil Development, Information and Publicity, Government of Tamil Nadu, 3 MP Swaminathan in the presence, Mr. Harshad Reddy, Director, Group Oncology and International, Dr. Madhu Shasidhar, President and CEO Apollo Hospital, and Dr. A.L. Narayanan, Clinical Lead and HOD Interventional Cardiology, Apollo Specialty Hospitals. In this occasion, Mr. Harshad Reddy, Director, Group Oncology and International Apollo Hospital said, the launch of advanced cath lab marks the yet another milestone in the Apollo's journey towards technology-driven precision care. This facility gives our doctors enhanced capabilities. They can make better diagnosis, act faster in emergencies, and treat patients across cardiology. After that, Dr. A.L. Narayanan, Clinical Lead and HOD Interventional Cardiology, Apollo Specialty Hospitals, Thenamate said, our new cath lab represents the future of interventional medicine, safe, precious, and patient-centric, with superior imaging that functions like GPS for the human body and real-time navigation. We are now equipped to tackle some of the most challenging cardiac, neurovascular, and oncological cases with confidence and speed. After that, about the Apollo Hospital, Dr. Pradap Reddy opened the first hospital in Chennai in 1983. But today, Apollo is the world's largest integrated healthcare platform with over 10,400 beds across 74 hospitals, 6,600 plus pharmacies, 264 clinics, and 2,182 diagnostic centers, and 800 plus telemedicine centers. It is one of the world leading cardiac centers, having performed over the Apollo continues to invest the research and innovation to bring the most cutting edge technologies, equipment, and treatment protocols to ensure patients have access to the best care in the world.